Hi guys, today in Okra's kitchen we shall be unboxing these are actually just some nuts, some legumes. So we do buy chickpeas, already made chickpeas, but we decided to order today from Buy Whole Food. They have some nice stuff, so we've been using them for a long time, so we get something organic, whole as well. So that's it. Just so here we've got lots of, actually I snack on nuts and I use them for my breakfast. So this is Brazil nuts, so that's a good one, 500 gram. And this is walnuts, so this is walnuts, 500 gram as well. And this is super omega blend, seed blend, so I use this on my cereal, my yogurt. It's nice. So, and then these are almonds. These are organic almonds. They're all organic actually. These are organic almonds, so good to have it in the house. So actually why we decided to order for this is because chickpeas, we like chickpeas. We actually buy made chickpeas already, like prep in the can, but we decided to start making our own from home. We also can make hummus with them. I'll show you guys when I make hummus. And then this for cooking, roasting. My daughter actually enjoyed when it's cooked and roasted, so that's why I ordered for this. So, and these are lentils. We use lentils, so we've got 5 grams of lentils, so 2 pack of 2.5 grams, and we use this quite regularly in the house. So everyone at home likes lentils, and everyone at home have chickpeas. They like it as well, so it just goes actually very fast in the house. So these are all the nuts and seeds and lentils. We use lentils a lot, and these are chickpeas. We like chickpeas, so all the organic ones, organic lentils, organic chickpeas, organic almonds, organic. This super omega blend is organic as well, so we'll pop it onto yogurt and onto cereal and enjoy. And these are walnuts, so these are Californian ones, they are sweet. And then these are organic Brazilian nuts, just a couple a day, so it's nice. So we're gonna just put them in the cupboard, and I shall show you guys when I prep my chickpeas, because we're gonna make chickpeas for the family, and we're gonna be soaking a portion up and then making chickpeas and roasting some and then using some for our salad. It's quite healthy, it's good. And then also I shall show you guys when I make my hummus for the dips we make for home. So it's nice. Thanks guys.